Hello all, welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here with 50 important GK questions that are helpful for your CMAT examination. In this video I have piled up many topics like geography, history, civics, economics, science and technology, people and awards, culture and art, and also some miscellaneous topics like currencies, capitals, and also like art and culture, paintings, etc. And before getting into the video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Let's see the first question. Nati is a famous folk dance of which of the following states? It is the famous folk dance of Himachal Pradesh state and it is listed in Guinness World Record because it is the largest folk dance. Which of the following is responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama and music in India? Sangeeta Natak Academy has been responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama and music in India. It was founded in the year 1953. Let us see the next one. Khalsa Army was founded by Guru Gobind Singh in the year 1598. Who was the founder of Hyderabad state? Nizam ul Mulk Asaf Jah was the founder of Hyderabad state. He established Hyderabad state and ruled it from 1724 to 1748. Buland Darwaza is built by which of the following Mughal rulers to celebrate the victory over Gujarat? It was built by Akbar. It is also called as Door of Victory. It was built in the year 1602. Let us see the next one. Who presided over the first session of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee presided over the first session of Indian National Congress. W.C. Banerjee is Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Friends, Krako is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do Google search Krako CMAT previous papers and download them for your better reference and practice. The Asiatic lions which are listed under the International Union for Conservation of Nature are majorly found in. These are majorly found in Gir Forest National Park. Gir Forest National Park, it is located in Gujarat. Remember that Gir Forest National Park is located in Gujarat, like both starts with G. It's like short trick. Which is a high altitude national park in Jammu and Kashmir? The high altitude national park in Jammu and Kashmir is Hemis National Park, which is located in Ladakh. Who amongst the following invented chronometer? Chronometer is a specific type of mechanical timepiece. It was invented by John Harrison. Who invented electric motor? Electric motor was invented by Michael Faraday. Electric motor is a machine that transforms electrical energy to mechanical energy.
We at Krako provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Which state in India is called as Land of Black Diamond? West Bengal is called as Land of Black Diamond because it is an industrial state and coals and minerals come from this state. The Khandala hill station is located in Maharashtra. The Cardamom Hills and Anaimalai Hills spread across Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Friends, Krako is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks and also 1 free mock. For rupees 299. Please do Google search Krako CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let us see the next one. Ringgit is the currency of which country? It is the currency of Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Let us see the next one. Who founded the Naujawan Bharat Sabha? Naujawan Bharat Sabha was founded by Sardar Bhagat Singh in the year 1926. Dash means that the President of India can refer any matter that is of public importance or that is which involves interpretation of Constitution to Supreme Court for advice. It is called as advisory jurisdiction. The appointment of the governor of state is incorporated in which article of Indian Constitution? It is incorporated in article 155. Let us see the next one. Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Zubin Irani is a member of the Lok Sabha representing which of the following states? She represents Uttar Pradesh state. What is the minimum investment limit under the PM Vaya Vandana Yojana? The minimum investment limit is 1.5 lakh. This PM Vaya Vandana Yojana was launched in the year 2017. It is for the retirement cum pension scheme. This PM Vaya Vandana Yojana is retirement pension scheme. Let us see the next one. Which of the following is the cost of production at which the goods and services are produced in the country? Factor cost is the cost of production at which goods and services are produced in the country. Friends, Cracko is providing CMAT mock test series. Like we are providing 5 latest pattern mocks and also 1 free mock for rupees 299. Please do Google search Cracko CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let us see the next one now. World Teachers Day is celebrated on which date? I know everybody gets confused here. World Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th October and Teachers Day in India we celebrate on 5th September. As a remembrance of birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, we celebrate Teachers Day in India on 5th September, but World's Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th October. This has been started by teachers organization worldwide. Which day is celebrated as National Cancer Awareness Day? National Cancer Awareness Day is celebrated on 7th November every year. It has been started by Dr. Harshavardhan, who is the health minister. Since it has started in the year 2014. Which of the following leaders is the founder of Benares Hindu University? The founder of Benares Hindu University is Madan Mohan Malaviya. It was established in the year 1916. Which country's currency is Gultrum? Bhutan country's currency is Gultrum.
The secret to crack CAT is taking a lot of mocks. If you simply Google Cracko free CAT mocks, you can find 3 mocks in the latest exam pattern. You can attempt them and get a detailed analysis of your performance along with comprehensive explanations to each question.
Helsinki is the capital of which country? Helsinki is the capital of Finland. I'll tell you a short trick. It's a bit silly, but the trick is I am fine in hell. I know no one will be fine in hell. Yeah. From this word fine, we can remember the main word that is Finland. And from this word hell, we can go to the root word that is Helsinki. So, this sentence is telling us that Helsinki is the capital of Finland. Okay, I think this will be useful for you. This is a small silly trick to remember. Which god is worshipped in Chhat Parva? Sun god is worshipped in Chhat Parva. They also worship the wife of sun, that is Usha, like who is known as Chhati Maiva, that is Chhati Maiya. Chocolate festival is a food festival in which of the following countries? Chocolate festival is a food festival in UK. It is celebrated in UK. And I'll tell you, potato festival is celebrated in Sweden. Tomato festival it is celebrated in Spain. And onion eating festival is also celebrated in Spain. Ajanta caves in Aurangabad district, Maharashtra are related to which of the following religions? It is related to Buddhism. It was one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of India. Let us see the next one. Battle of Panipat was fought in the year. Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1526. It was fought between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. And second battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1556 between Hemu and Akbar. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT previous papers and download them for your reference, and also once go through the previous papers and practice them as a main exam so that you can know the actually how the questions come related to the main exam. Let us see the next question. Pulakesin II defeated Harsha on the banks of river. Pulakesin II defeated Harsha on the banks of river Narmada. What is the other name of Chanakya? The other name of Chanakya is Kautilya. He also has other two names, that is Vishnugupta and also Indian Machiavelli. Let's see the next one. Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam, and the currency of Vietnam is Vietnamese dong. The capital city of Spain is Madrid. Gas engine was invented by Daimler in the year 1872. Who invented the voicemail? Voicemail was invented by Jordan Matthews. He expired in the year 2002, and he invented voicemail in 1970s. Eastern Ghats are not located in. Eastern Ghats are a discontinuous mountain ranges passing through Odisha and also Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu and some parts of Karnataka and also Telangana. So they are not located in West Bengal. Let us see the next one. The Aravalli mountain range is located in. The Aravalli mountain range is located in all of these places: Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Which range does Indus River originates from? Indus River originates from northern slopes of Kailash range. Like Bokhar Glacier. See, Bokhar Glacier in northern slopes of Mount Kailash. Who is known for establishing Anandvan? Baba Amte is known for establishing Anandvan. He has established this in the year 1949. Friends, Krakow is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks and also 1 free mock for ₹299. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series and enroll for this mock for your better practice and best score. Let us see the next one. Abel Prize is awarded annually for outstanding scientific work in the field of mathematics. The winner of 2017 Abel Prize is he is Wes Mayer. He has been awarded Abel Prize in the year 2017 for his pivotal role in development of mathematical theory of wavelets. Two-party system is found in USA. What is the tenure of members of Election Commission of India? The tenure of members of Election Commission of India is 6 years. Golden Revolution refers to the development of. Golden Revolution refers to the development of horticulture. 1911 to 2003 is considered as the Golden Revolution period. It is mainly refers to the development of honey and horticulture. See, horticulture and also honey. Let us see the next one. Which of the following cities in India has been adjudged the best Gram Panchayat in India? The best Gram Panchayat in India is Nandprayag Nagar Panchayat. It is in the state of Uttarakhand. Let us see the next one. What does F stand for in DGFT? The word F stands first let us expand what is DGFT. DGFT is Directorate General of Foreign Trade. Therefore, F in DGFT is foreign. Therefore, answer is option A. International Customs Day is observed on which day? International Customs Day is observed on 26th January. National Nutrition Week is observed by Government of India in which of the following months? It is observed in the month of September. September 1st to September 7th is considered as the National Nutrition Week. World Sparrow Day is observed on. World Sparrow Day is observed on March 20th. This day has been started in order to protect the common house sparrows. What is the currency of Guatemala? The currency of Guatemala is Quetzal. And the capital of Guatemala is Guatemala City. The capital city of New Zealand is? The capital city of New Zealand is Wellington. To remember that Wellington is the capital of New Zealand, a short trick is there is a new well in our house. So here the keywords are well and new. From the word new, we can know that we are talking about New Zealand, and from the word well, we can directly remember the word Wellington. So this sentence tells us that Wellington is the capital of New Zealand. I hope this is useful for you. There is no logic or anything behind this sentence. It is just to remember that Wellington is capital of New Zealand. That's it. Hope you like the video. Hope these questions are helpful for your preparation. And please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And for any queries or any suggestions regarding the video, you can tell me through the comment section. All the best for your preparation and thanks for watching.